It's smart to get ready for hurricane and flash flooding season, which arrives June 1st. And it's smart to save money. You can do both by shopping for such products as batteries, food storage containers, generators, first aid kits, bottled water, and more during Virginia's Hurricane and Emergency Preparedness Equipment Sales Tax Holiday, May 25th through May 31st. When you do, you won't pay sales tax on many useful products that cost up to $60, or on generators costing $1,000 or less. That's a savings of 5%. Exempt items include portable generators used to provide light or communications or preserve food in the event of a power outage, and certain other hurricane preparedness equipment. During this 7-day period, purchases of items designated by the Department of Taxation as hurricane preparedness equipment will be exempt from the Virginia sales tax. Stock up between May 25th and May 31st on emergency supplies, many of which are for everyday use, such as bottled water of all types, flashlights and batteries, and even cell phone batteries, coolers, tarps, plastic sheeting and duct tape, smoke detectors and fire extinguishers, portable radios, cell phone chargers, first aid kits, portable generators, and more. Retail stores have details, and more information is online at readyvirginia.gov. For additional hurricane preparedness information, visit the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management online at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/OEM or call 571-350-1000.